Let me do it. I'm the hero. Yeah. Shit is kinda crazy when you got these friends that you think that's your friends. Lot of sick motherfuckers that got the bad intentions. Damn, I've been through it for a couple of months, a couple of years, century or two. These motherfuckers will stab you in the back cause they can't get what they want from you. Goddamn. They be having the ultimate desire of a plan to get you bang, bang, bang in they motherfucking Gucci. And if it ain't that, them niggas they want money. Motherfuckers be crazy like that. Damn, I know I got me some good ones around me, but some of them times, the motherfuckers be acting real strange at me sometimes. Damn, a lot of shit be going on. Niggas be thinking that I don't know. God damn, this shit is fucking chaotic. Every damn day, this shit be crazy. Damn, I really don't wanna fucking do this song tonight, but I gotta say what I gotta say. God damn, anybody that's not my soldier, that act like they wanna be the way that they wanna be towards me. Anybody act like they ain't my soldier. Soldiers that's demented. Damn, soldiers that's demented. Damn, why you niggas wanna cut me with a knife for? When I've been nothing but good to ya. Soldiers that's demented. Soldiers that's demented. Soldiers that's demented. God damn, niggas that I thought that was gon' have me and have my back, my golden plan. Walking away with me, you're doing this damn thing. Damn, why these niggas, they wanna stab me up in the back when I give them nothing but love, and then they wanna fuck me over. God damn, these niggas did me wrong, getting me to the game, and everybody saying it. Damn, these niggas are bitches, man. They fuck around and play with you left and right. And they do a lot of shit that you don't even understand. I've been through it a couple of years, a lifetime to more. That's why I'm the one from the slaves that freed them all. The ones that was locked up for too many years. And these niggas don't know it, but they know it right now. Damn. Soldiers, that's demented. Soldiers, that's demented. Wrong occasion. Won't play with me. Won't play with me. Goddamn. Soldiers, that's demented. Soldiers, that's demented. Got the hidden agenda. Stop paying the motherfuckers any mind. You know who I am. Damn. Why the hell did these niggas they wanna do me wrong? I ain't never did shit to them. Been nothing but good to them, and these niggas act like, and these hoes act like, if I ain't fucking them or putting they ass down in they fucking asshole and bouncing they ass up, they get offended by it because they thinking like I just betrayed them or thought that I slipped them off. Damn, why you gotta get it screwed up? Because I be there for y'all. And niggas act like they wanna get mad because they ain't jealous, but they angry as hell because I didn't pick them. Know that I had a queen, and I had an option of picking them too. And I picked my queen of men gun, and they mad at that. Why you wanna treat me like that? Damn, this shit is crazy. Soldiers demented. Soldiers that's demented. Got the wrong intention by me. Damn. Soldiers that's demented. Soldiers that got the wrong intentions. Goddamn. Soldiers demented. Soldiers that's demented. What the hell going on? Goddamn. This shit is crazy. Why the hell did you wanna treat me that way? When you know that I've been good to most of all of ya. Never lied to ya. Gave you nothing but the best of me. Why? Cause you can't be with me? Think that I'm the one to save ya? Damn, they get mad at that. Soldiers demented. Soldiers that's demented. Goddamn, Mo the music.